Hey everyone, welcome to April Spring Renewal. If you're new here, my name is Shirkendra. Thank you so much for joining me. We're going to move softly to unwind and soften your body. So if you're feeling a little heavy or tense, this is your time to breathe, release, and come back to yourself. Meet yourself where you are. Let's begin. Sit comfortably and get settled in. Gently close your eyes or have a soft gaze. Let's take a couple breaths in. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good. Gently inhale, sweep your arms all the way up. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Drop your left arm and stretch over for a side stretch. And release. Let's go to the other side. Inhale your arm up and stretch over. Good. Continue to breathe. In and out through your nose, easy breaths. And release. Very nice. Let's do our spinal twist. Loosen up your spine. Inhale your arms up. And twist. Looking over your left shoulder. Allow your spine to gently unwind. Very nice. Inhale your arms up. And slowly twist to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Let's stretch out, extend our legs for a wide leg pose. And let's gently flex and point your toes just to loosen up our entire leg, our calves, hamstrings, and our inner thigh. Very nice. A stretch to the side, reach to your comfort level, left arm up and stretch over. Good. Remember to breathe as we are softening the body. And release. Slowly come up. And let's stretch to the other side. One side may be more flexible than the other. It's perfectly fine. And release. Gently come up slowly. And let's stretch toward the front. Gentle forward fold here with your hands. And lower your head. Continue to breathe. Feel your body unwinding and releasing. And slowly walk your hands back. Let's go ahead and bring the legs forward. Stretch them out on your mat. Sit up nice and tall. Bring your right knee up, keep it bent. And let's do a twist. Bring your right arm behind you and grab your knee, looking over your shoulder. Very nice. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Extend your right leg out. Bend your left knee. Grab your knee and let's twist to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Very nice. Stretch your legs out. Inhale your arms up. And let's gently come down for a forward fold. Place your hands wherever you feel comfortable. And gently walk your hands up your legs. And for our last pose, go ahead and lay on your side. Gently stretch out. Bring your knees close up towards your chest. You may grab a pillow or use your arm for resting here. Slowly slowing your breath down, relaxing to this pose. Allow your body to sink deep into the floor. Let your body fully soften. Release any tension you're still holding. Allow yourself to rest here just for a moment. You've done enough. Take this calm with you as you move through the rest of your day. And if this felt good for you, I'd love for you to join me again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.